Ipsy is not cutting it for me anymore. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing my July Ipsy bag unbagging, and it's going to be my last one on this channel for now at least. So I did actually cancel my Ipsy bag subscription after receiving it this month, and I will let you guys know at the end of this video, so stay tuned and I will let you guys know why I decided to cancel my Ipsy subscription. This is my third time doing this video on my channel. If you guys don't know or not familiar with what I'm about to be doing, is basically I'm going to be using all the products in this month's Ipsy bag on my face, and I'm going to do like a review of what I liked. And then on the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys why I canceled my Ipsy subscription. So let's just jump in. This month's bag is actually kind of cute and I like it. I might use it for my job. But the first thing that I see is this face powder from Kadar Beauty. It actually looks like it might work for me, so I'm going to test it out. I'm just taking this brush from BH Cosmetics, and you can see there's a lot of fallout, but I'm just going to set my face with this powder. I'm actually not wearing any concealer, so I did set underneath my eyes, but I just had a little bit of foundation. I've been doing like really natural face makeup lately, and yeah, it's just kind of been my jam. I've been really busy and preoccupied in life, and so doing my makeup like full glam, I haven't really had time to do, unfortunately, but I've been obsessed with how I've been doing my makeup lately. So I'm going to be filming like a no makeup look. I've done some before on my channel, but I'm going to show you guys the updated one because I literally am barely wearing any makeup. I'm wearing a little bit more foundation today than I have been, but I usually barely wear any foundation now for work and stuff. The second product in this bag is this ultra hydrating glossy lip treatment from BKR Paris. Never heard of this brand. I've also never heard of the Kadar Beauty, but this is a water balm. So I'm assuming it's just like a little lip balm. Doesn't smell like anything. Kind of leaves like a weird film on my lips. For blush, like always, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm going to be taking this color and this color right here and just mixing them together and just applying this on the apples of my cheek and just blending it back. So moving on to the third product in the bag, and it is from the brand Ella Eden London, and is an eyeshadow in, well, it's a pressed pigment in the shade Harmony, which is funny because that's my name. I'm going to take this eyeshadow and I'm going to do a little swatchy. It's like a shimmery orangey color. The next thing is this green eyeliner by the brand Sugar. It's in this color 03 Green Light. I'm actually not going to use this color right now because it is going to mess up the look I'm going for. So I'm not going to be using it today, but from the swatch on my hand, I can see that it's very creamy. And, well, actually it looks like it's pretty like smudge proof. I think that this would be pretty on the lower lash line smudged out. So I will try to use it, but not today. So I'm going to spray my face with the Hard Candy Longwear Sheer Envy spray. Then before that dries, I'm going in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlight, and I'm just taking this and highlighting the high points of my face and tapping it into my skin to make my skin look nice and glowy. So for the lipstick, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Stepping Out. Smells like, I don't know what brand it smells like. I've actually never tried Smashbox anything, I don't think. Okay, I actually really like this lipstick, I'm not gonna lie. It feels really comfortable on the lips. It's not drying and cracking. I actually really like it. So yeah, I really like the liquid lipstick. It feels really comfortable on the lips. And what else did I get? The green eyeliner, I haven't used it yet, but we'll see. Besides that one, that's like the only one that I'm kind of iffy about, but the rest of the bag, I actually really like it. Let's get into the reason why I canceled my bag. Alright, so the first reason why I'm kind of just over Ipsy is the bags. I like the idea of like having a bag, but if you think about it, these just add up to clutter. You know what I mean? Like, how many times are you really gonna use this? So all my Ipsy bags, like, I just kind of have them laying around. I mean, I only have 3, so it's not like I have a bunch, but out of the 3, like, I don't really use them that much, you know? This one I actually really like, but they're just like kind of too small to keep anything in, so they're kind of, to me, they're kind of just useless. The second thing is most of the products that I get, pretty much all of them, are sample size products. Like this is not a full size face powder. You can see the difference between the two. Like this one is significantly smaller, which is fine because it's supposed to be like a sample. But this is the reason why I'm gonna end my subscription with Ipsy. Boxy Charm is only $21 a month, okay? And you get 5 to 6 full-size products. Not little tiny baby samples, like real full-size products. And what made me want to subscribe to Boxy Charm was I saw the last box, the brand Eyeliner Cosmetics. This, if you know her on Instagram, her name is Gabby T. She's a makeup artist, and I think that she like works for Boxy Charm or something. But anyways, her eyeshadow palette was in the Boxy Charm, and that alone cost more than the Boxy Charm. To me, I just feel like spending an extra $10 to actually get full-size products, and if I don't like the products, I can always, you know, save them, add them up, and then do a giveaway for you guys, or give them away to my friends and family, like products that I don't want to use, because I like makeup and I like to actually use the makeup that I have. I'm not just the type of person who will just buy an eyeshadow palette just to have it. Like if I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna use it. So that's why with the Ipsy, most of the things I get in there I don't really use. Like the things that I use mostly are like the chapsticks and like things like that, but I can buy those at Target, and I own a bunch of chapsticks, so I don't need more chapsticks. I want full-size makeup products so I can play with makeup. That's my reason. And one of my friends had Boxy Charm and she really liked it, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see how I like it, because right now I can only speak for Ipsy since I don't have Boxy Charm, but Ipsy is not cutting it for me anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags. If you guys get Ipsy bags, let me know if you guys feel about them. Have you canceled? Have you tried Boxy Charm? Let me know. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.